Alright guys, we have finally the Redmi Note 11 in the house, and today's video will be regarding the unboxing and my first impression about the device. So let's begin the unboxing of the Redmi Note 11. So after opening the box, we have a lid here which is probably going to be coming with a silicone case inside and some paper guides. Yes, we have the SIM ejector pin here, and along with that we also have some paperwork here, which is quite a lot. Also in the box we have the silicone case, and the quality of the silicone case is probably not the good one, but it's going to be average. Right now it's not looking good. So further in the box we have the phone itself. I already unwrapped it, and boy, it's looking sleek and slim. But further in the box we have the 33 watt of charging brick, which is coming inside, and probably this is the fastest charging brick we have ever seen right now in such a price category, which is interesting. Anyhow, further in the box, we have USB-A to USB-C kind of brick, charging brick inside, which is a good choice to have. And the device is set and it's looking absolutely great. By looking at the design, you will see the sides are going to be flat, and there is going to be the camera bump that has been different right now. Interestingly, this is going to be coming with a matte finish, but still we will got some fingerprint smudges on the back of the device. On the top, well, we have the speaker grill here, and along with that IR blaster, and also 3.5 millimeter headphone jack support is available right now. On the bottom, well, we have a type C port, the stereo speaker, and a noise cancellation mic is available right now. On the side we have the fingerprint sensor, which is obviously going to be a great choice, and also we have the volume up and down button, whereas on the left side we have the same tray here. As far as the SIM situation is concerned, we are going to see two SIM and a micro SD card slot. As far as the display is concerned, it's probably one of the good displays that are available for this price category. It's going to be an AMOLED 6.4 inch of a display, which is looking great. As you can see in the images, it's looking gorgeous. Also, I have noticed that it's coming with a 90 Hz of refresh rate on top of that, which is another big option to include in such category. By default, if you look at, it's not going to be enabled. You just need to open up your settings, scroll down to the display, and you will notice that by default the screen refresh rate is set to 60 hertz, and you can change it to 90 hertz for a smooth experience. And moving forward, there is also a good option that is available for the display. It's the always on screen. Yes, it's an AMOLED display, so basically it's going to be coming with this always on screen. Interestingly, the screen will be available for 10 seconds. After that you have to tap it again to see the always on display. But quite frankly, I think that this is going to be a great choice to have. On top of that, the device is going to be coming with a quad camera setup on the back side. It's coming with a 50 megapixel of a main sensor, 8 megapixel of ultra wide, 2 megapixel of depth sensor, and 2 megapixel of macro shooter. And on the front, we have a 16 megapixel of a selfie shooter. As far as the spec sheet is concerned, it's going to be coming with a Snapdragon 680 processor, which is based on 6 nanometer. Although it's not a great processor for gaming, but as far as the battery life is concerned, it's going to be pretty much optimized for that particular software. Also, this device is going to be coming with two different variants, 6 gigabyte and 4 gigabytes, with 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and that storage is based on UFS 2.1. It's also coming with a biometric fingerprint sensor support as well on the side, and looking at that fingerprint sensor, it's going to be decent. I have already made the fingerprint and the face ID registered, so you just need to press on the side and easily you can unlock your device. The fingerprint sensor is also going to be great. As you can see, it's unlocking the device pretty much fast. As far as the face IDs is concerned, it's also going to be pretty much fast, but as far as its security is concerned, it's not going to be as much secure as the fingerprint sensor. As far as the battery capacity is concerned, it's going to be coming with a 5000 milliamp of a battery cell inside, and along with that, it's going to be supported by a 33 watt of fast charging, which is probably going to be one of the best features that is coming for this particular device in such a price category. As far as the software is concerned, it's going to be coming with Android 11 based on MIUI 13 variant, which is probably going to be the recent variant that is coming for Xiaomi devices. it's going to be having the same features as one of the best tech that is coming inside. So overall, the device is going to be pretty much great. As you can see, it's coming with a 90 hertz of refresh rate, the AMOLED display, a 50 megapixel of a main camera sensor on the backside, and with that, it's also going to be coming with a massive 5000 milliamp battery, which is probably going to be one of the best features of that particular device. I hope this video has helped you out in making the decision to purchase that particular device. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out.